Hello everyone, welcome to SUNYA IAS. Guys, today in this video we are going to talk about our Brahmastra program for 2023. Now this program is a very special one. It is a one-stop solution for your UPSC CSE examination. It is an integrated program with lots of additional features. So let's get started and understand what are the features of this program. Now today we are rolling out the batch 5 of this program, and I will also show you the testimonials of students who have joined the other batches. So first of all, let us understand the features of this program. Okay, now this program, as I told you, is an integrated program. It will take complete care of your prelim as well as mains examination. Okay, so there are three components all in all. The first component, just a second guys. Okay, the first component is you will get 76 tests, out of which 41 will be for prelims and 35 will be for mains. Now how are these tests designed, how are they arranged? It's very scientific and very logical. We will be talking in detail about it in the upcoming slides. This slide will discuss the features. Okay, now the second component is you will get complete notes for your prelims. Okay, you will get static notes as well as you will get current affairs notes for your prelims examination. So this will ensure that you revise as many times as possible. Okay, the notes are very concise and comprehensive at the same time. We have collated multiple sources and created these notes. Now this is for prelims. For mains, you all will be aware that we have GS books for mains. We have 4 books, one book, one paper concept is prevalent, and you will be getting all 4 books with this program. So this books will take care of your mains preparation as well. The third feature is you will be getting mentorship. Everyone and anyone who joins the program is assigned a personal mentor. This mentor will act as your guiding light. The mentor will help you fix your sources, to make your strategy, and in case you are getting confused somewhere between your preparation, your strategy and stuff, the mentor will be playing a very instrumental role in guiding you. Okay, now these are the testimonials from our Brahmastra program, people who are already enrolled. This is the 5th batch that we are launching today. You can pause the video and read this. Okay, now I told you we'll be discussing about how the program is designed and how it is going to ensure that you cover everything comprehensively. Now, when I say the program is scientifically designed, the first thing is we have done a very detailed and objective study of previous year papers of UPSC, of prelims and mains both. Okay, so now if I talk about, say for example, environment is a subject. There are several subsections from which questions are asked every year. Say for example, there are questions asked on acts, right? So we have dedicated sectional papers which will ensure, like every year we see 2 questions minimum from environmental acts. So the tests are designed very much in line with the UPSC trends, the current trends. Okay, also the level of questions, the quality of questions is very much in line with the requirement of UPSC. Also, as and when you are reading for prelims, okay, you are building content. Am I correct? You will be reading a lot of things and trying to answer the questions. And these days conceptual questions are asked also. So you will be prima facie preparing an entire subject. So along with your prelims tests of every subject, we have mains tests after that. So the content is the same, only the way of presenting changes. So in this program, okay, before you give your prelims, you will be ready with each and every component of your preparation. You will be done with answer writing. You will get good at writing essay. This program also covers essay papers. So prima facie, you will be, done with entire preparation, answer writing, be it essay, be it GS papers, be it prelims, and everything will be covered before you go for your prelims. So this will boost your confidence. And guys, after clearing prelims, okay, we have very less time. So we have to start writing from the beginning. then only you can secure a rank. Right, as I told you, we have designed everything in a way that you develop fundamental understanding of each subject. Okay, now I will give you another example. Say, for example, if you're talking about polity as a subject per se, then there are certain conceptual questions which are asked. So the first test in terms of polity will be a test wherein only conceptual questions will be asked. There will be no factual questions in that paper. UPSC asks around 2 to 3 conceptual questions when it comes to polity. Then it will be followed by other tests, okay, which has factual questions, come analytical questions from various parts like legislature, executive, judiciary, local bodies, constitutional bodies, non-constitutional bodies, etc. There are separate tests for current affairs also. So we will ensure that you're revising your bi-monthly current affairs and appearing for your tests also. Material, as I told you, at SUNYA IAS, the material is always comprehensive and concise. So if I talk about static notes, okay, every subject is covered between 80 to 100 pages only. And you all know current affairs notes are covered into 40 to 50 pages per month, right? So imagine if you're getting some material which is so concise and so comprehensive, you will be able to revise things in a better way, right? You will be able to make more revisions. As we already discussed, this will the MCQs will be very much relevant and in line with the UPSC standards. Also, after every test, we are giving you discussions that will help you boost your marks, will help you understand how you are able to tackle each portion of your syllabus and how to look at the questions and find the answer objectively. We will also be providing you model answers for your mains, which are very carefully curated, and they are near perfect model answers, plus they're also replicable. It's made in very easy, simple, and lucid language. The evaluation and feedback that you will get in your mains answer sheets will be very helpful. Okay, at Sunya, we believe in personalized, detailed, and suggestive evaluation, which will ensure that you understand what improvements you need to do and what are the changes that you need to incorporate in your preparation. Now, our Sunya helpline is there, and you will get 24/7 support from our helpline whenever you are confused or you feel lost. So, guys, thank you very much. Hope to see you soon in the program. All the best.